Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, January 25th. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And, we said yesterday late in the room, prior to that absolute nutty price spike which filled our gap, I said the odds of trading inside of yesterday's range were good, or maybe taking out yesterday's high at some point to put the daily back into balance. And then we went and did that in M period. So, back to the first thing, I think an opportunity for possibly an inside day goes up tremendously. I'd be a little surprised if we go and test yesterday's low. Can we take out yesterday's high? Sure, we can. We'll see if they try to stop the one-time framing down prior to the Fed tomorrow afternoon. I can tell you one thing. Right now, the price probes are all being rejected with 75 minutes to go. As we're below L's high in all three of these indices. Remember, tremendous job. $20 rally. It was a $20 rally. But nothing's changed in the bigger picture. We're still down in the monthly, weekly, and daily. So, it remains to be seen going forward if the bears keep control of the market in the bigger picture. Our overnight high is 440.54. Our overnight low is 432.75. The one thing I'm pretty certain about this morning is you're going to need your hard hats because the chop is going to be tremendous. Any acceptance back below L's high, and we should go see our POC. It was only 8 wide. Remember, we have a $20 range, and we have an 8 wide POC. K is the afternoon pullback in yesterday's low. That's it. As far as the upside, and of course, we have our overnights. Besides the overnights, on the upside, we have yesterday's high, which right now is $7 higher or so. Pretty much goes the same for both Russell and Triple Qs. Any acceptance back into value, they're going to go trade their POCs. 8 for 8 wide yesterday, Russell, and then they got away from it by $9. Nothing would surprise me if we went and got back to it. So game plan for this morning and for 9:30. Well, if we can't get back above L's high where there were buyers yesterday, you might find sellers. So you can take a short against L's high. Now, any acceptance above it, you got to get out because M's range was $8. So you're not going to take the heat up to the day's high. So you give yourself a little room above L's high, and that's it. But if they can't get above L's high, the odds of going and trading at that 8 wide POC are very good. And as we're speaking, my overnight low is getting lower, it looks like. Okay? So that's one put play. As far as a call play, the next 75 minutes, if we open above L's high, and again, it depends where it would be. You can take a long against it. I don't want to take a long in the middle of it, but if it's maybe $1 or so above it, you can take a long and use L's high as you're out. You would have at least higher value to start, and then any acceptance back into L, you can get out. So again, those are two really, really early plays. Other than that, if you start getting accepted to the heart of yesterday's range in the value, you have to wait for more MGI. See if we one time frame up. See if we attempt to go trend inside of yesterday's range. Otherwise, I would expect just tremendous, tremendous chop, at least throughout the morning. And then, quickly on the chart, I'm going to show you one, because until this changes, nothing changes. Here's your daily. Yeah, tremendous rebound off the lows. But right now we're down $7. We did 252 million shares yesterday. That is absolutely fascinating and beautiful. So, again, we got extremely oversold from 8 days ago. We took $20 of it back, and we're taking back 7 already. So again, I would expect extreme chop inside of yesterday's range. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.